Hey YouTube. Hey YouTube. So whenever you need to do laundry in Thailand, you look for an Otteri. They usually offer free Wi-Fi, but you bring your backpack, or if you're like me, a one-bag traveler, you bring your bag. Make sure you have local Thai baht. Here they have a current change machine. They take 20, 50, and 100 baht. 100 baht is fine. This machine sells fabric softener. And most places you can buy detergent. Some don't sell detergent. I recommend you just bring your own. These are your washing machines. It costs anywhere between 40 and 60 baht depending on how much weight you have. Once you wash your clothes, you can just take it into the dryer. And there it is. Drying costs between usually 40 baht. Pretty cheap. Usually costs about 90, 100 baht to do a full load. Some places actually have snacks, which is pretty nice.